Yesterday, I was going to the market and I decided to buy some goat meat to make asun. This asun was so delicious, and this is how I made my asun. So now I went to the market, I bought it, I washed it with baking soda, I drained it with the sieve, and then I add thyme, oregano, and other spices. So I added pepper and my stock cube powder just to make it suckling and delicious. So after this, I now marinated it with my hands and then I put them in this bowl and I'm going to cover it with a film. And I cover it with this plastic film and or plastic for whatever you call it, and then I let it to sit for overnight. So the next day I put them in this rack and then I roasted it. This roasting, I baked and then roasted it. I baked and then roasted it. After baking for 30 minutes, I roasted the rest till it was done. Then I now deboned everything. If you are in Nigeria, you know they can also debone it for you at the market, but this is how we buy it here. So we depone it. So I've added onion because while I have added other ingredients when I was marinating it. There was no need to add. This was pepper. I'd have added fresh pepper, paprika that I sliced, and um curry powder, just to give it more taste. I don't add Maggi anymore because if I add Maggi or salt, it will be too much. This was so delicious. I want you guys to try this. So after this, then I turned it and it was good to go. I added a little bit of oil just to make it a little bit oily, and that was so fine, fantastic, and was so delicious. I enjoyed my like that. We ate it with rice. You can eat this with anything you are. It's like a side dish. That side meat or whatever. So I added this spring onions to it. You can add green pepper, and if you serve your visitor or your family this, they will ask you for more. It was so delicious, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe today. Until I come your way next time. See you soon. Bye bye.